Bonjour, class. If you will open up your book to page 314, we're going to just look at the same vocabulary that we have been doing this week, talking about activities that you could be doing for fun. I want you to look at exercise number 5. This is going to be your homework for today. But one thing I wanted to point out is the difference between la planche à voile and la voile. I think it did mention it back here, but I'm just guessing that you did not do very much with it. Okay, if you go back here, it tells you la voile is sailing. La planche à voile is windsurfing. Windsurfing is something I've actually never seen before, but it's actually really popular in France because France has so many different beaches. They do quite a bit of water activities. If you get on YouTube and look up planche à voile, you can see it. It's really cool. In class, I usually do show some videos so you can kind of get a feel for what that looks like. But that's what that one is. So make sure you know the difference between la planche à voile, which is windsurfing, and la voile is sailing. Okay, so the rest of these are pretty obvious. We've got modern dance, gymnastics, camping, jogging, skiing. Notice just regular skiing is like snow skiing, and then le ski nautique is water skiing. L'escalade is mountain climbing. So for your homework, what you're going to do is read the sentence and figure out what their favorite activity is based on the sentence, okay? I really want you to try to not use Google Translate for everything. I'm really worried about it because I feel like we're becoming super lazy. Just try your best to figure out what it means on your own, and then if you need to look it up, but try not to do it, okay? All right, so if you look at number one says, Jean-Pierre est au stade. So Jean-Pierre is at the stadium. So we have to figure out which sport he would be doing at the stadium. My guess is he is doing some jogging at the stadium, okay? So what you could just say sports at the stadium. So you would say he is doing, il fait, F-A-I-T, du sport. Or you could put il fait du jogging. That's your answer for number one, okay? Number 2, je suis à la plage. I am at the beach, okay? So at the beach, you could be doing a couple of different things. You could be water skiing at the beach. You could be doing windsurfing at the beach. So that's kind of up to you what you decide you want to put. So we're going to try windsurfing today. So I'm going to say, je fais, I am doing, la planche à voile. Okay, so this really is not going to take you long. We're going to have a little quiz tomorrow, but once again, my quizzes are really easy when you can look up answers. So please do your best to try to understand it before you look up the answers when we do the little quiz tomorrow, okay? But the quiz will just be over this vocabulary. So exercise number 5 is your homework for today, and I hope you have a très, très bonne journée. Au revoir, classe.